Hey guys, welcome to Tech for Our Mind. My name is Mohit Vaishne, and in this video, I have come with a multiple hiring update. So if you're looking for internship, full-time job, walk-in drive, off-campus drive, then this video is for you, because in this video, I will cover all four types of hiring. So do check out this video till the end. But before that, do like this video and subscribe this channel so you do not miss any kind of hiring update. Now let's discuss in detail about the first hiring update, which is coming from Shell Company. So Shell Company has announced internship program for 26 pass out batch, and this is a direct hiring opportunity. Means once you complete your application, you will receive assessment mail, which is the virtual interview mail, and you will get 1 week time to complete that assessment. And once you complete that assessment, then you will receive further round update. Talking about the qualification for this role, so company has mentioned if you have done bachelor degree or master degree or PhD, then you are eligible for this hiring. You can apply, and this hiring is only for 26 pass out batch. Company has already mentioned penultimate year of study. So if you are currently in your penultimate year, then only you can apply for this hiring. And company is hiring for multiple locations, for example, Bengaluru, 𝐂𝐚𝐧𝐞𝐥, Chennai, Mumbai. You can select, and the last date for this application is November 25. So complete your application and exam before November 25. So this is your first hiring update. Talking about the second hiring update, which is coming from TVS NEXT company. So currently company hiring for graduate engineer trainee, and for this role you will receive 4 LPA salary. And this is a walk-in drive, and currently company conducting a walk-in drive at Chennai location. This is a complete location, you can check out. Talking about the qualification for this role, so if you have done BE Tech, MEM Tech, MCA from any branch, and you are already passed out 24 batch and 25 batch, then only you can apply for this hiring. This is the eligibility criteria. If you fulfill this criteria, then you can attend this walk-in drive on 4th of September and 5th of September according to your availability. So this is the second hiring update. Talking about the third hiring update, which is coming from Byteridge company. So currently company hiring for SD role, and for this role, whether you are a fresher or you have experience up to 1 year, then also you can apply for this hiring. Talking about the qualifications, so for this role, if you have done BE Tech and you are going to pass out 25 batch, then only you can apply for this hiring. This is the qualification required. So if you fulfill this criteria, just share your resume or this given email ID, and if you get shortlisted, the company HR will contact you for the given position. Talking about the last hiring update, which is coming from United Airlines company. So currently company hiring for data science intern role, you can check out. So if you're looking for internship in data science field and you have a good foundation in ML, Python, SQL, then this opportunity is for you. And currently company hiring for Gurgaon location. So if you get selected, then maybe your job location will be Gurgaon, and the duration for this internship is 6 months. So if you're interested for this role, just fill this Google form, and company has not mentioned any specific criteria. So you have done any degree from any branch, you are eligible for this hiring, you can apply. Just fill this form, and if you get shortlisted, the company HR will contact you and share you next step process. So this is a complete detail about this hiring, and that's all for this video. I hope this video helped you, and if you found this video helpful, then do like this video. Thank you and goodbye.